Well, good day all. I'm Epstein, and here we are with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, just after 8:10 a.m. Central Time. So, as we know, pretty crazy stuff going on. The president shook the market on Friday when he said he's had it with the European Union, they're not negotiating in good faith, and he hit them with a 50% tariff that dropped stock sharply down. Then, later, much later in the day, he said, no, we'll delay that because he has been contacted by the European Union Commission, the head of it, the negotiating head, and asked to wait till July 9th. They believe they can get a deal done with the president by then. So he accepted the July 9th. Tariffs went back down to 10% and the stock market rallies. Then you saw Apple getting hit with 25% tariffs, and then he decided to hit everybody with 25. Who knows where this is going? The one thing we can count on is uncertainty. It creates business uncertainty. We're seeing that in advanced durable goods. Nobody knows what to do. And that's because the game plan is forever changing. Have one of these tariffs that the president has put on, especially the big ones, stayed in place? How fast do they come off? So now the market's going to start anticipating that's going to be a change that you get. Before I talk too much, let's go to this morning's news. The advanced durable goods orders, well, they came in down 6.3%. The prior was up 7.5%. They expected it down 8.2%, so it's a little better than expected. When you look at it ex-transportation, it was up 0.2. The prior was up 0.7, so that's probably airplanes and things of that nature. Ex-defense, down 7.5. The prior was up 10.4. I didn't have a chance. I wanted to get this out on time to put out the morning numbers on Case-Shiller. We're going to get the conference board numbers coming out at 9 o'clock this morning, and the Dallas Fed is going to give us their monthly regional manufacturing outlook at 9:30. Sorry that I couldn't get that for you in the Case-Shiller, but I'll have it in my written update shortly. On the energy markets, most are lower. You got into the resistance area I've been looking for in natural gas and fell rather hard from that. Bonds and notes getting a bid. Japan is getting ready to raise interest rates, they said, as inflation is coming up. However, they're really questioning, do they want to go with the 20-year bond or do something of shorter duration? They are no longer the biggest holder of U.S. debt. Believe it or not, I just read a report and it shocked me. Germany. So it's Germany, then Japan, then China, as you look at it. When we go to the foreign currency market, the yen is down sharply, 77 points on a lot of this currency speculation talk, the interest rates that will affect it. In the dollar, we're getting a little bit of a bounce, and you come off the lows in the the euro currency and getting a bounce there. My mind goes back to what are the stock markets doing, and that's why I'm concentrated there. In the gold market, this is a bounce of $10 off the low, but we were down there $80 an ounce. Silver not quite as much lower. Copper market down too. So most of the metals getting a bit of a move to the downside. There's just so much uncertainty because of tariffs on, tariffs off, that nobody quite knows what is really going on. And this is all the president's doing. I want to remind you, you can get all our free information at iraepstein.com, free offers. Take a look there. I'm Ira. You have yourself a great day.